Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is 2 online business ideas for the physically disabled. Online tutoring or coaching has become increasingly popular in recent years, especially with the rise of remote work and distance learning. This form of virtual learning allows students and professionals to receive one-on-one instruction and guidance from qualified experts without having to be physically present in a classroom or office. One of the key benefits of online tutoring or coaching is convenience. With the ability to connect from anywhere with an internet connection, students and professionals can receive instruction or guidance on their own time without having to worry about scheduling conflicts or commuting to a physical location. This also allows for greater flexibility in terms of scheduling, as online tutors or coaches can often accommodate a wider range of availability than traditional in-person instructors. Another benefit of online tutoring or coaching is the ability to access a wider range of expertise. With the ability to connect with experts from around the world, students and professionals can receive instruction or guidance from industry leaders and experts who may not be available in their local area. This can be especially valuable for individuals looking to learn niche skills or receive specialized guidance in their field. Online tutoring or coaching can also be more cost-effective than traditional in-person instruction. With reduced overhead costs, online tutors and coaches can often offer their services at lower rates than their in-person counterparts, making it more accessible to a wider range of individuals. However, it is important to note that online tutoring or coaching does have its limitations. While virtual instruction can be effective for many subjects and skills, there are some areas that may require more hands-on, in-person instruction. Additionally, some individuals may struggle with the lack of face-to-face interaction and may find it more difficult to stay engaged and motivated during virtual sessions. Overall, online tutoring or coaching can be a valuable tool for individuals looking to learn new skills or receive guidance in their personal or professional lives. With its convenience, flexibility, and access to a wider range of expertise, it's no wonder why this form of virtual learning has become so popular in recent years. And our second business idea is virtual bookkeeping or accounting. Virtual bookkeeping and accounting are becoming increasingly popular due to technological advancements and the need for remote work. Essentially, virtual bookkeeping and accounting involve the use of digital tools and software to manage financial records and transactions. One of the key benefits of virtual bookkeeping and accounting is the flexibility it provides. With virtual services, business owners can access their financial records from anywhere in the world as long as they have an internet connection. This makes it easier for businesses to work with bookkeepers and accountants who are based in different locations. Virtual bookkeeping and accounting can also help businesses save time and money. By automating tasks and utilizing digital tools, bookkeepers and accountants can complete tasks more efficiently, reducing the need for manual labor. This can result in cost savings for businesses, as they may not need to hire as many staff members to manage their finances. Another benefit of virtual bookkeeping and accounting is increased accuracy. With digital tools, bookkeepers and accountants can quickly and easily reconcile bank statements, track expenses, and generate reports. This can help businesses avoid errors and ensure that their financial records are up to date and accurate. However, there are also potential drawbacks to virtual bookkeeping and accounting. For example, some businesses may be hesitant to trust virtual bookkeepers with sensitive financial information. Additionally, there may be concerns about data security, as virtual bookkeepers and accountants may be storing sensitive information in the cloud. Overall, virtual bookkeeping and accounting can be a valuable tool for businesses looking to streamline their financial management processes. By leveraging digital tools and services, businesses can save time and money while also increasing accuracy and efficiency. However, it is important to carefully evaluate the risks and benefits of virtual bookkeeping and accounting before making the switch. Thanks for watching today, and please subscribe for more great online money making ideas.